Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you are working strong. In this video we'll be doing a simple beginners friendly makeup tutorial using drugstore products. So I'm going in with Essence Stay Out There 16 Hours Wear Foundation. Then I'm using Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer to highlight. This concealer, guys, I highly recommend it. It's very good. It doesn't dry quickly, and again, it's easy to blend. It has a very good coverage. If you really want to try it out, you can go get one. So I proceed to blush from Catrice Cosmetics. You can also get it from a drugstore like Clicks or Discam. Then I blend it in, and I'm going in to contour my face using Fit Me setting powder. This is 2 shades darker than my skin. I just contour with the powder directly. I don't use liquid contour. I didn't use liquid contour for this look. And I contour my nose. Guys, this translucent loose setting powder from Yardley, it's for all shades. Like, you don't have for dark shades or light shade, it goes for all skin tone. It's very good. Look at that blurry, nice coverage. And then I go in with this powder blush from Essence, and then again I use Fit Me setting powder, which is my skin shade, to just set my whole face. Now I proceed to prep my eyelids for eyeshadow. I'm just using that Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer, and then I go in with this small mini palette from Catrice Cosmetics. So I'm going in with this mascara, still from Essence. The name is All Eyes on Me, and this lip gloss is also from Essence, Extreme Shine lip gloss. Guys, look at that lip cover and this look entirely. I love it. Hope you try it out.